Hey, it's me again. So in order to do this 50 video challenge in 2 weeks, and I don't want to have to do it on Saturday and Sunday because that's like sacred family time, I have decided it's got to be 5 a day. So that's what we're doing, 5 a day. And that I have meetings, so I gotta be quick. So the trigger I was talking about in my last video. So I just did a video earlier, not very long ago, talking about it's dark in here. Do you love my messy thing? I'm gonna paint my wall in here. Speaking of squirrel. Anyway, so what happened today, what happened earlier before I did that last video was I had set my heart on something and I didn't realize how set I had been on it, and it was like, oh, I have a huge sense of purpose around this thing. I know, right? Not very long ago. We're doing 5. I have meetings, so let's see. I'm still a little bit in the trigger, so if we're gonna work through it together, it's like this. Somebody appeared to have taken my idea. And in the past, when people use my ideas, it's not a problem because what color? What did I say? You gotta remind me what I said. In the past, I would have let somebody taking my idea be a compliment to me, but with this particular situation, I was offended because I wanted to be the one to execute the idea with the person that I talked to about it. So it appeared to be something it wasn't. It appeared that my idea was being used and I was being left out, sort of. And it really punched me in the stomach. And then I started thinking about it. And I've been thinking about it. Oh, the paint! Yeah, totally. The paint, I want white. And I think I want everything in here white because it's this like pale green, but I want this wall, I might decide I want it to be my pink, that pink. I haven't decided though. I don't know if it's too much. This room is kind of tiny. So, anyway, back to my story. Where was I? I'm working through this. I'm unraveling this. So, as far as, I'm usually okay with people who like my ideas and then want to go do them because I consider that a huge compliment. Like, oh, I had a good idea and they can run with it. Why not? So I don't consider that taking my idea. It's just using it, you know. I'm an idea person. I have lots of good ideas. I hope lots of people will run with my ideas. I can't do them all, you know. And so, but with this thing, I wanted to do it. I wanted to collaborate on something and do it. That's still a thing, you know, because I found out after I asked a couple of questions that I was wrong, of course, which is awesome. Always when you get triggered, start asking questions. And so I feel better now, and there's just some more questions I have. So, anyway, yeah, that's fun. Okay, that's all. I just wanted to use that as content for another video. So they're doing 50 videos! And for those of you who didn't watch my last video, it's a 50 video challenge on social media. And the last video I was talking about how I judged myself for not being allowed to do social media because if I do social media, it's gonna annoy somebody, especially if I do like 5 a day. So, oh, you're just coming on. If you're just coming on, then you missed the whole thing about what this video is about, and I'm just recapping the last one. Anyway, okay. I have a million things going on in my mind at the same time, and I want to get them all out, but we're going to save some for the next time, since there's 3 more videos today. Okay, I'm going into a meeting. I will talk to you probably after my meeting. We'll see you later. Thanks for coming, Heather. Bye.